Welcome to the Distracted Driving Device Installation Guide. The first step is to remove the panel for starter interrupter installation. Now, on most vehicles, the starter wire is no longer under the dash. Installation may need to take place under the hood, and sometimes directly off of the starter solenoid. Find the starter circuit and confirm that circuit with a multimeter and/or test light. Remove the key from the ignition. Disconnect negative battery cable. Now, remove starter wire from the connector. Reconnect the battery and make sure the car does not start. The dash should light up, but the car should not crank. Disconnect the battery again. Cut the starter wire to begin making your connections. Strip the wire. Install and crimp the inline butt connector. Connect pastime blue wire to the key side of the starter wire. Do the same thing with the purple wire and cut the wire to fit. It's recommended that you heat shrink the connector to increase its integrity. Plug the wire back into the connector. Locate an ignition wire or switched power source by reconnecting the battery and testing with your meter. Connect the pastime pink wire by using the included PosiTap connectors. Using the PosiTap that comes with the kit, make sure you are making the connection in the car first. The pastime red wire connection should be made at the back of the OBD2 plug on pin 16 using included PosiTap connectors. Strip the pastime black wire and crimp the included ground ring. Then, locate a suitable bolt or screw under the dash to connect the ground ring to, and reconnect the battery. Now that all the wires have been connected, plug in the Elite GPS device and make sure the car now starts. Install the dock into the glove box. Fish the red wire across the car. Connect the dock's ground wire to the car. Now, put the hush panels back up. Attach red wire to Elite device constant 12-volt source on the driver's side. The device needs to be facing up, and the LEDs need to be flashing red, solid green, and it needs to be secure so it doesn't bounce around or rattle. You can achieve this using double-sided Velcro, zip ties, or a compression fitting with bubble wrap. Download the Distracted Driving Device app and test the dock after pairing. Congratulations! Your Distracted Driving Device is now installed.